To convert smaller currency units to bigger units, you divide by 100. For example, change the following amount to bigger units of the currency stated. Number one there is 638 kobo, while the second one is 93 cents. So let's solve. 638 kobo to naira. Write it out. 338 kobo equals to 338 divided by 100. How many number of zeros do we have there? 2 number of zeros. Okay. Write it out. 638. Move the number of zeros to the left. 2 places to the left. Like 1, 2. Put your decimal point and put naira symbol. Your answer is 6 naira 38 kobo. So have you seen how to change kobo to naira? Divide by 100. Count the number of zeros in 100 and shift it 2 places to the left. Put your decimal point and the symbol of the currency. Second example, 93 cents to dollars. Okay. 93C equal to 93 divided by 100. Remember, this is the smaller units and this is the bigger unit. We want to change this smaller unit to bigger unit. That's why we're dividing by 100. So count the number of zeros there. 1, 2. We'll shift it 2 places to the left. Now, watch. 93, 1, 2, 1, 2. Put your points. Because this is just 93, no dollars, we put 0 there. Even if it's in naira, still the same thing. Okay? Then add your symbol. Your final answer is $0.93. Convert bigger currency unit to smaller units. When converting bigger currency unit to smaller units, we multiply by 100. To multiply by 100, move the decimal points a number of places to the right according to the number of zeros in 100. For example, let's change the following amounts to smaller units of the same currency. Here, this is 13 naira 52 kobo. We'll change it to kobo. And this one is 0 pound shilling 9 pence. We'll change it to pence. 13 naira 52 kobo to kobo. That is bigger unit to smaller units. We will multiply by 100 now. Watch. Equals to 1352 times 100. Write it out. From the decimal point, move the number of zeros. We have 2 zeros there. 1, 2. Move the number of zeros to the right. 1, 2. So the decimal point is out because you've multiplied with 100. Your answer is 1,332 kobo. Okay, I want to give you one to solve. Try this. Try the second one in your rough. Second example here. Let's change 0 pound shilling to pence. That's the smaller amount. Remember, to change bigger currency unit to smaller one, we'll multiply by 100. Write it out. Then 0.9 times 100. We have two zeros here. So from the decimal point, we'll shift it, or we'll move it 2 places to the right. Watch. Let's go. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. From the points, move your arrow 1, because there's no number there, add 0. Then move the next arrow 2. The decimal point is out because you've multiplied by 100. Your answer is 90 pence. Okay, example 3. How many 50 kobo coins are there in 3 naira? How many 50 kobo coins are there in 3 naira? Before we solve, we have to change 3 naira to kobo by multiplying it with 100. Remember, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay? Let's solve it together now. Solution. Note. Okay. 300 kobo divided by 50 kobo. They are now in the same units. 1 0 down, 1 0 up, cancel. Then use 5 to divide 30. You start division from the left. 5 cannot divide 3, put 2 of them together and divide. And write your answer on top of the second number. 5 divide itself, 1, okay, you can write it out. You have 30 and 5. 5 cannot divide 3, then put the 2 numbers together, call it 30 and divide. 5 divided 30 is 6, right on top of the second number. 6, therefore, there are 6 50 kobo coins in 3 naira. Okay, the last example, which is example 4. How many 75 cents coin are there in 15 round? Can anybody tell me the country round is their currency? Okay, South Africa. The bigger currency in South Africa is rand, while their smaller currency is cent. So you need to change 15 rand to cent by multiplying by 100. Multiplying 15 rand by 100. Okay, let's start. 15 rand cents. Equals to 15 times 100, which will give us 1,500 cents. Therefore, okay, 15 times 100, just count the number of zeros, attach it to 15, you have multiplied. Okay, because this is just 1 times the same number is still that number. That's why we got this 1,500. Then, therefore, 1,500 cents divided by 75 cents. Okay? Yes. What number can divide 75 and divide 1,500? Okay, 3 can do that. Thank you. 3 cannot divide 1. So put these first two numbers together. 15. 3 divide 15. 5. Write your 5 on top of the second number here. 5. 3 divide 0. 0. 3 divide 0. 0. Have 500 there. Okay. Short division method. 3 divide 7. 2. Remainder 1. 3 divide 15 is what? 5. Then write out this number. Okay. 500 25. What number can divide 500 and also divide 25? 5 can do that. 5 divide itself 1. 5 divide 0, 0. 5 divide 0, 0. 5 divide 25, 5. I have 105. What number can divide 5 and also divide 100? 5. 5 divide itself 1. 5 divide 10, 2. 5 divide 0, 0. Your answer is
75 coins are there in 15 rounds.